Let's take a quick look at how we can access the residual list on a TI83 graphing calculator. The residual list, it's in the list menu, which is accessed above the stat key. So if we hit second and then stat, and option 8 on this calculator, I've seen it as option 7 on others, is the RESID list, R-E-S-I-D. If I hit enter, we started from the home screen, so that puts the RESID list command on the home screen. If I hit enter again, it'll show the values in that list, and I can use the arrow key to see what they are. If you're going to be using the residual list a lot, you can actually go to the list editor. So if I go to stat and choose edit, I can go to the list editor, and if I hit the up arrow and go over to the end, I can actually define like an extra list, like a 7th list, as the residual list. So if I go to option 8 again and choose resid and press enter, it'll actually place the residuals in that 7th list. Similarly, we could define one of the earlier lists in that way as well. The least squares regression line is special because it makes the sum of the squared residuals as small as possible. Let's go back to the home screen, and I can show you how to create within the calculator the sum of the squared residuals. If we go to the list menu again, under the math tab, option 5 will create a sum. The sum command will create the sum of the values in a list. And so then if I go back to the list again, back to the list menu again, and identify the residuals as the list I'd like, I can square them by hitting the square key, and pressing enter will give us the sum of the squared residuals. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.